Hello, this is Alex Luganbiola from the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, bringing you the planning briefing for Thursday, March 9th. We have an impactful winter storm that's on tap Friday morning through Saturday morning across the Northern Rockies. Really what stands out is the potential for widespread snow to occur starting Friday morning with a warm frontal boundary that's pushing in to the Northern Rockies. By Friday afternoon, we're seeing a strong cold front developing across west central Montana, spreading south and east into southwest Montana and Lemhi County by the early afternoon hours. And then by Friday evening, we see another round of convective snow showers developing across these same areas. So we've highlighted the matrix for snow squalls during this period. That's going to be the highest impact period where we're expecting sudden visibility drops to near zero visibility, strong gusty winds, and rapid deteriorations in travel conditions. We'll have some lingering snow showers into Saturday morning across Idaho, northwest Montana, west central Montana. We're seeing a break in the weather Sunday into Monday, and we're seeing another storm system setting up on Tuesday with higher snow levels, with snow mainly confined to mountain passes at this time. Here's a look at the satellite imagery. As you can see, we have a low pressure system spinning off the Oregon coast. This is the weather maker that's going to be moving in tomorrow. We also have a deep tap of Pacific moisture originating from the subtropics that's streaming north and eastward into California. And this moisture tap is going to be spreading into our area with the warm front tomorrow. Just wanted to give you an idea of what the radar might look like tomorrow, so we'll let this loop through here and we'll get into details here momentarily. We can see snowfall spreading northward with a warm front early Friday morning, spreading into northwest Montana by the Friday morning commute. And then as we move into the afternoon hours, you'll see some stronger showers associated with that cold front moving in. That's the first round of snow squalls we're expecting. And then we have another wave of convective snow showers that's developing Friday evening, kind of between the 6 to 10 p.m. time frame. And that's going to be mainly focusing for areas along the US 93 and I-90 corridors south and east of Missoula. And that's when we're expecting those temperatures to be a lot cooler, so the travel impacts during that time could be particularly impactful. We've developed this snowfall graphic to highlight the probability of snow squalls Friday afternoon and evening. This yellow shaded area highlights a 40% chance for snow squalls. We have two distinct periods of snow squalls potentially tomorrow, one being with the Pacific cold front that tracks across the area early Friday afternoon for the US 93 corridor, and then by the mid-afternoon to early evening hours, roughly 2 to 5 p.m., that's when we're expecting the snow squalls with the front to reach into southwest Montana and Lemhi County. Areas highlighted in blue, we're a bit more confident for snow squalls, so we're assigning a 70% probability for snow squalls in this area. And then that second period of snow squalls is going to be taking place, Friday evening, 6 to 10 p.m. time frame across these same areas. What about snowfall totals for the entire event? On the low end, we're expecting valley locations to receive anywhere from kind of 1 to 4 inches. The most likely snowfall scenario, the heaviest amounts are seen in the mountain locations. Valleys up in northwest Montana will see the heaviest snow totals from this event, as snow levels are expected to remain at the valley floors for the entire event duration. So anywhere from 3 to 6 inches, locally higher amounts along the Idaho-Montana border and the Glacier Park region. And on the high end, you can see potentially maybe 6 to 10 inches in the valleys up north, with the valleys along US 93 and points east seeing anywhere from about 3 to 5 inches. What about the probability for some thresholds here, looking at 2 inches and 6 inches? You can see fairly modest probabilities for the entire area, looking at 2 inches. When we look at 6 inches or more, the areas that really stand out are the mountain ranges, mountain passes, and then the valleys up in northwest Montana, especially along the Idaho-Montana border and Glacier Park, are seeing those higher probabilities. Looking at some points just to give you a feel for what the temperatures are doing and the snowfall accumulations. Travel across Lookout Pass and accumulating snow Lookout Pass. This is fairly representative for other mountain passes as well. Temperatures are only going to be making it into the mid to upper 20s. So accumulating snow in the roadways is likely to be more impactful during these periods. And for places like Kalispell and other valley locations, we're seeing those temperatures moderate into the low 30s during the afternoon period. So a lot of roadways will likely stay slushy, and travel impacts are going to really be maximized Friday evening and afternoon, late afternoon, as that cold front moves in. We see those temperatures really drop off pretty quickly. Looking at the long range pattern, it looks like we're going to be staying fairly active. Potential for several more Pacific systems to move in during the 6 to 10 day period. So Climate Prediction Center is giving us below normal or above normal odds for below normal temperatures and above average chances for precipitation. And this time of year, that really gives us higher confidence for the mountains in particular to continue to see accumulating snowfall. Valley locations are a bit more difficult to pinpoint at this time. And just to recap, here's another look at the matrix. As always, please feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. Have a great day.